What is this? A tiny barking rodent? As a king of all demon, I'm going to kill it. I'm gonna kill it easily. Woof! Woof! You better start trembling, spaghetti hair. You think you can defeat me? I'm immortal. I regenerate. I control every demon cell in existence. Nah, whatever. You know what? I've shredded a lot of demons looking scarier than you. You don't look special at all. Wait until I turn your body to burger patties. You can't kill what keeps coming back. Wanna bet? Time to turn you into Muzan mash. No! What? Wah! Burger patties, be burger patties. Be burger patties. I'm gonna eat you now. Impossible. My cells. Why aren't they regenerating? Because they just deleted your whole save file, idiot. How about that? Woof! Woof! Tastes like overcooked calamari. It's gross. Ow. Is it weird that I feel kind of bad for Muzan? It's not good.